Hey guys, KDD here, and we are gonna show off a first place wind up deck that I placed first today. So we got we got triple magician, triple shark, triple rat, triple rabbit,
Double garb.
double guard.
We only run one garbage because it's at one.
So 2 tour guides, 1 Sangin, 2 Maxis, 2 Valor, 2 Thunder Kings, 2 Wind Up Factories, 1 Avarice, 1 Reborn, 1 Dark Hole, 1 Heavy, 3 MST, 2 Warnings, no Solemn, 2 Bottomless, 2 Torrential, 2 Mirror Force, 1 D Prison, 2 Compulse, 2 Phoenix Chain, extra Reran, 1 Wind Up Carrier, Zenmains, Leviair, a Leviathan, Giga Brilliant, Soul Silver Mountain, Tempo, Zenmains, Maestro, a Black Ship, it's hard to see, but that's a Bistoler, Shockmaster, which saw a lot of play, Adrius, Tyrus, and a Zenmao. And this was all of NBFGrimReaper's deck, so, you know, sub him, waits.